Welcome to Edgewood Country Club, where we can take care of all of your wedding celebration events, from bridal showers, rehearsal dinners, ceremonies, to receptions in our ballroom that can accommodate up to 250 guests. What separates us from other clubs and venues is our beautiful architecture, our one-of-a-kind events team to take care of all of your details, and our all-inclusive packages. Our diverse spaces allow you to go from an outdoor ceremony to a patio cocktail hour to a beautiful ballroom reception. Our golf course offers picturesque views of our grounds for photos or outdoor ceremonies as well. Our events team will take care of all of the details for you. We will make sure that this day is your best one yet. We look forward to seeing you. Get in touch today to book an appointment with our team.